Good morning, students. Today we read our remaining chapter in English grammar, and the chapter name is tense. Previous we read about present tense. Today we read our topic past tense and future tense. Okay, students, you well know that present is a running time. Today I am told you about past tense. What is past tense? Past tense is कि जो समय आपका निकल चुका है. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड पास्ट टेंस, दैट वर्क हैज डन, एंड फ्यूचर इज द अपकमिंग टाइम. ओके, सो हियर इज अ डिस्क्रिप्शन इन योर बुक. पास्ट टेंस रेफर्स टू एक्शंस दैट हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. पास्ट टेंस को क्या बताता है कि जैसे कोई काम पास्ट में हुआ था, जैसे कल हुआ था, परसों हुआ था या पिछले महीने हुआ था, तो जो भी काम है वो बताता है. A verb which is used to show that an action was completed in the past is said to be in the past tense. कि जो भी चीज हमें पास्ट के बारे में कोई चीज जो होती है वो हमें बताता है, तो हमें कैसे पता चलता है? पास्ट टेंस से पता चलता है. ठीक है. अब प्रेजेंट टेंस में मैंने आपको बताया था कि वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज होती है, लेकिन पास्ट टेंस में क्या होता है कि वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म यूज होती है. पास्ट टेंस के भी चार पार्ट्स होते हैं: सिंपल पास्ट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, पास्ट परफेक्ट एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ओके, तो सिंपल पास्ट का जब हम सेंटेंस पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें हमारी वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म को यूज किया जाता है. हियर आर सम एग्जांपल्स. आसिफ वेंट टू द एक्वेरियम टुडे. कि आसिफ क्या हुआ, इसमें क्या कह रहे हैं? वेंट टू द एक्वेरियम टुडे, कि आसिफ आज कहाँ गया था? एक्वेरियम गया था. तो वेंट जो है वो क्या है? वर्ब है, और इसकी फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या होती है? गो. तो जब हम इसको पास्ट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे सिंपल पास्ट में, तो हम वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म को यूज करेंगे. ही सॉ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द फिश देयर्स, कि उसने वहां पर बहुत अलग अलग तरीके की फिशेस देखी. तो सॉ है वो सेकंड फॉर्म है और इसका फर्स्ट फॉर्म होता है सी. समझ आ गया? फ्यूचर टेंस रेफर्स टू एक्शन दैट विल हैपन इन द फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर टेंस का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो चीज होने वाली है. A verb which is used to show that an action will take place in the future is said to be in the future tense. कि जो काम होने वाला है वो हम किसमें इंक्लूड करेंगे? फ्यूचर टेंस में इंक्लूड करेंगे. विनीता will reach Delhi on Tuesday. कि विनीता क्या मंगलवार को दिल्ली जाएगी या पहुंचेगी. My mother will go to pick her up from the railway station. कि मेरी मम्मी उसे रेलवे स्टेशन लेने जाएगी. कि जो काम होने वाला है वो हम किसमें इंक्लूड करेंगे? फ्यूचर टेंस में इंक्लूड करेंगे. अब आपको इसमें क्लासेस ऑफ वर्ब्स कि इसमें आपको डिस्टिंग्विश बता रखा है कि कैसे उसमें हम उसको क्लैरिफाई कर सकते हैं, उसे हम अलग अलग कर सकते हैं. वर्ब्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू क्लासेस: स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ब एंड वीक वर्ब्स. कि कुछ वर्ब्स बहुत मजबूत होती हैं, कुछ कमजोर होती हैं. All verbs do not use ed, d or t from their past tense. Strong verbs or irregular verbs are which from their past tense by merely changing the vowel in the present tense. अब यहाँ पे आपको देखो जैसे दे रखा है प्रेजेंट टेंस में कोई भी चीज में बोलूंगी स्पीक, तो पास्ट में क्या हो जाएगा? स्पोक. प्रेजेंट में फॉल, पास्ट में हो जाएगा उसका फेल. प्रेजेंट में सिंग, पास्ट में हो जाएगा उसका सैंग. राइट, रोट, ड्रिंक, drank, eat, ate. Weak verbs or regular verbs are those which from their past tense by adding ed, d or t to the present tense with or without change in the vowel. जैसे कि इनमें कुछ चेंजेस नहीं होता है. प्रेजेंट में कॉल, पास्ट में हो जाएगा कॉल्ड. प्रेजेंट बाय, पास्ट बॉट. प्रेजेंट टेल, पास्ट टोल्ड. प्रेजेंट सेंड, पास्ट सेंट. प्रेजेंट कीप, पास्ट kept. Present kneel, past knelt. Here are some tables in your book. Some strong words on page number 97 and 98. You all read these verbs, okay? Then you can identify strong verbs and weak verbs. Okay. The next topic is verbs with the same form. Some verbs do not change their form. How much will the journey cost? The journey cost 800. Okay. कुछ चीजें वर्ब्स ऐसे होती है कि वो एज इट इज रहती है. जैसे कॉस्ट है तो वो एक ही जैसा रहेगा. अब इसमें भी आपको ये जो टेबल दे रखी है वो आपको देखना है. फिर है आपका कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग: प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट. अब आपको इसमें प्रेजेंट की दे रखी है वर्ब सेंड, पास्ट में हो जाएगा सेंट. सेकंड है आपका बीट, ये पास्ट में भी बीट ही रहेगा। थर्ड है स्पेंट, पास्ट में हो जाएगा स्पेंट। बिकम, बिकेम, ब्रस्ट, ब्रस्ट, ब्रेथ, ब्रेथ, ड्राई, ड्राइवन, वीप, वेप्ट, लीन, लीन, बाय, bought, understand, understood, carry, carried, shed, shed, cling, clung, blind, bind, bound, cloth, clothed, advise, advised, crow, crowd, agree, agreed, dare, dared. Okay. Now here are some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the past or future form of the verbs in the box. I played football yesterday. कि मैंने कल फुटबॉल खेला था, तो यहाँ क्या करेंगे, प्ले के साथ ed को इंक्लूड करेंगे। We stayed with our grandparents for a long time last summer. Rohan reached the theatre in time for the play. Clara will reach the airport by 7 p.m. if she starts at 6. I was very happy when I got the first prize in the essay competition. Samir will go to Bengaluru to meet his grandparents next month. Mrs. Roy said that she met her old school friends at the market today. The doctor told us that fast food is unhealthy and makes children obese. When I reached Delhi, the temperature was 5 degrees Celsius. When Santa Claus entered our class, we clapped with joy. Now the exercise L, match the column. The students did very well in the elocution contest. Yes, Dinesh had trained them. Where will you go during the winter break? I will spend my winter vacation with my aunt in Kolkata. Where will you meet me? We will wait in the canteen for you. Why are you up so late? I promised that I would finish my homework before going to bed. My tennis racket broke when I fell down. Don't worry, I will buy you a new one. I would like to have some salad, please. We have green salad and bean salad. Which one would you prefer? I can't solve this problem. I can help you with it if you like. So the sequence of this 6, 3, 4, 2, 7, 1 and 5. Okay. Here is a exercise. The Prime Minister of India is leaving for a conference to be held at the UN headquarters at the New York City tomorrow. His itinerary is follow. तो आपको क्या ये एक एक्टिविटी दी हुई है ना, इसको हमें क्या करना है, आपको फ्यूचर टेंस में इसको बना के इस एक्टिविटी को लिखना है। जैसे कि 9 AM अराइव एट द न्यू यॉर्क सिटी एयरपोर्ट, तो इसको फ्यूचर में कैसे कन्वर्ट किया है, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल अराइव एट द न्यू यॉर्क सिटी एयरपोर्ट एट 9 AM, क्योंकि फ्यूचर की जो हमारी हेल्पिंग वर्ब होती है सिंपल फ्यूचर की, वो क्या होती है, विल और शैल। तो ये जो आपको एक्सरसाइज दी हुई है, जो सेंटेंसेस है, उसको आपको किसमें कन्वर्ट करना है, फ्यूचर में कन्वर्ट करना है। ही विल लीव for the UN headquarters at 8 AM. Now the third sentence is that 10:30 AM conference begins. So the sentence is the conference will begin at 10:30 AM. Okay. The Prime Minister will make a speech at 11:30. There will be a lunch break at 1 PM. The conference will start again at 2. The conference will end at 4 PM. There will be a meeting of country heads at 5 PM. Dinner will be served at 7 PM. The Prime Minister will leave for Germany at 10 PM. Okay. So here are sentences, we convert them in future tense and we use will because the will is helping verb for future tense. Clear? Now more practice. Circle the correct verbs in the boxes to complete these sentences. Each child has been given a task to complete in 1 hour. Nobody has been asked to leave the laboratory yet. Neither of the boys has completed their projects. Each of these flowers has been picked from the garden. They had fallen from the tree. Everyone has been told to bring their favorite storybook to class. None of the shops sell musical instruments. Each one of these boys are able to play the sitar. Is anybody willing to help me carry this trunk up the stairs? Everybody was asked to leave their tarmac before the plane landed. Each artist of the art college paints a picture for the annual art exhibition. Nobody was aware that the front door of the house was open. Every house has been given a fresh coat of a paint. There is a lot of differences between, here is the exercise O. There is a lot of differences between the things we do or we see around us and the things our grandparents were used to. Some differences are listed in the table. Write sentences in the present and past tense to talk about the differences. Then and now. कैसेट प्लेयर आपने देखा होगा, पहले छोटे छोटे कैसेट्स चलते थे, तो हम जब इसकी पास्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे तो माय ग्रैंडफादर हैड ए कैसेट प्लेयर. ही लव्ड लिसनिंग टू द सॉन्ग्स ऑफ लता मंगेशकर. एंड नाउ MP3 players. I have an MP3 players. I like listening to rock music. Books. My grandmother used to borrow books from a library. E-books. My mother reads e-books on her laptop. Postcard. Grandfather wrote letters on a postcard. Email or SMS. My teacher sent my report card by email. So, I hope you understand that we use past tense for past habits and for the present time we don't use past tense. Present time is running time and we use the helping verb of present tense. Exercise P. Complete the following dialogue with the correct form of the verbs. Anna. Daddy, can I join the sports club? Okay. Father. Which activities does the club offer? Anna. The members can play volleyball, cricket, tennis and also use the swimming pool and the gym. Father. Which sport would you like to take up? Anna. I am learning to play tennis in school. I want to learning swimming. I would also like to use the gym. How will you find the time to do so much? Anna, I am planning to go to the club only on the weekends. Father, good. I will pay the fee by this weekend. You may start going to the club from next week. Okay? Now the exercise Q. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in the boxes. In the morning, the curator realized that the painting had been stolen from the museum. The sun had risen before we reached the top of the hill. Mrs. Singh spoke to Mrs. Paul about giving clothes to an NGO called Seedling. We forget to wish Nancy on her birthday. Stephen Hawking overcame many obstacles to become a great scientist. All the birds seemed to have flown from their nest. Vijay threw the ball over the hedge to the boys. The wax broke when it slipped and fell from my hand. As the years went by, the colt became a strong horse. We were told not to have a bath with cold water during winter. No one had foreseen that snow would block all the roads to Nainital. Hassan froze with fear when he saw a huge elephant near his hut. Exercise R. Tick the correct box. A black woolen coat hung on the peg. Arun had drawn a beautiful pictures of a leopard. Our church choir is singing many hymns on Christmas Eve. Anmol could but it had shrunk. The table has been laid for breakfast. Those machines have been lying idle since the factory closed down. The sun shone brightly on the day of the picnic. The bees stung the boy when he tried to touch the hive. Manoj rang the school bell this morning. We saw many interesting sights in Mumbai. I drew a picture of a snake in my book. Jayesh yelled with joy when he heard that he had won the first prize. Exercise S. Complete this dialogue with the correct verbs. I want to be a pilot when I grow up. My father can also fly planes. I think the most exciting jobs must be that of a ship's captain. It must be tough to steer the ship through a storm. When I grow up, I want to be a diver. I want to dive deep into the Indian Ocean and discover treasure that might have sunk to the ocean bed centuries ago. Vinay. I want to be an engine driver and drive across the country. My uncle is an engine driver. He has driven to almost every part of the country. Okay, here we complete our chapter. I hope you all understand this. Yes, students. Here a conclusion of chapter, which I explained you. Our topic is tense. The tense, I told you that tense have three types: past tense, present tense and future tense. In this chapter we read about all these tenses, but we read present tense very briefly. So I want to explain you the present tense. The present tense have three parts: simple present tense, present continuous tense and present perfect tense. So what is the identity of simple present tense? Simple present tense is used here as only two objects, subject and verb. We use s or es with verb if we have a singular person. Okay? So I play, she drinks. तो जब आपका एक सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है तो आपको क्या करना है, उसके अंदर एस और es का यूज करना है और आई और वी के साथ आपको वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म को ही यूज करना है. लाइक आई प्ले, शी रन्स, आई ईट, चिल्ड्रन प्ले और राम ईट्स मैंगो, टीचर टीचेस. सो वी यूज एस और es with in simple present tense. Next is present continuous tense. In this tense we have a three helping verb: is, are or am. Is used with singular person, are is used with plural person and am is only used with I. So I explain you some sentences. I am writing a book. She is sleeping. My mother is cooking delicious sweets. We are watching. We are going to picnic. There are some example of present continuous tense. Next is present perfect tense. This tense shows us that work has almost completed. Okay, we have seen. We use here third form of verb. We have seen a snack. Okay, so these are main parts of present tense. And in this chapter we read about present tense mostly. So here is a chart. You can understand all this present tense about. And there are some classes of verbs, some strong verbs and some weak verbs. Okay, in the strong verbs we use first form and the strong, and in the weak verbs we use second form of the verb, which I explained you already, and these verbs are in your book. So students, you all read these verbs in your book and do all the exercise in your book which I sent you. Okay, here is we complete our chapter number 7 in English grammar.